about. Don't say too much, keep a lock mouth. If they ask, we don't know what they talking about. We was just vibing, we was just vibing, we was just vibing.
Hey guys, what's up? It's your girls, Twin Goddesses, and I'm Alicia, and I am back with another unit from one of my favorite vendors, WowAfrican.com. So if you guys are interested in this unit, definitely check down below in the description area where everything is going to be linked for you. But this time around, y'all, I got one of my favorite styles. Y'all know I just love a super natural, super simple, super ready to wear unit, and this is what I got from WowAfrican. You guys can see this unit is their natural curly, kinky curly unit. It does feature that pre-cut lace. The lace is HD, so it's going to blend in really well with your complexion. Those knots are bleached. The hairline is pre-plucked, and it's featuring their new cap design. This cap design is called their 3-dimensional cap, which features that carved ear area, that silicone slip band, the removable combs, which I actually love because it gives you a really smooth base, and it also has that drawstring so that this unit can be worn completely glueless. So for those of you guys who want a super secure glueless fit, this is the cap that you're definitely going to want to get. And I love the 3-dimensional cap design. You can see how close that lace is to my forehead. So if you're someone who has a flat forehead, a big forehead, whatever, this is going to fit you really well, especially with that drawstring, so you can wear this unit gluelessly. So this is how my unit came directly out of the box. You can see that it is a ready to wear unit. You don't have to do any washing, styling, or anything of that nature, but I like to wear my units for a few days, so I like to define those curls so that the hair can look better by day 4 or 5 instead of me wearing it once and then having to fix it later. So what I'm gonna do is a simple wash and go. I'm not even going to wash the hair. I'm just gonna spray a generous amount of water on the hair and then apply my curling product. I am using Curls Blueberry Bliss. I just take a quarter size amount and apply it to that section, and then I just take a curl defining brush and go through that section, clumping those curls. Again, I am taking a large section, applying some water, and then my curling product, and then taking that curl defining brush to enhance those curls. I'm gonna go ahead and do the entire wig, and once the hair is dried, we'll be back to see my results. So stay tuned.
But I don't pop out very often, this is sight to see. I got a whole lot of motion, I keep my pockets green. I get it cracking, that's the actor, you know how it be. Pull up, hop out. We be doing things that we don't talk about. Don't say too much, keep a lock mouth. If they ask, we don't know what they talking about. We was just vibing, 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 we was just. I know how the real ones feel it. I don't wait around, I'm a real go-getter, no ills in a minute. I'm a certified winner, blowing bands at the store. I'm a certified spinner, tryna ball all summer, so I'm working all winter. You thought they did it the biggest, but watch how we do it bigger. They was popping for a minute, but they blew it, go figure. But they stay hot.
Okay, so you guys can see how those curls came out. I mean, chef kiss. But anyways, let's take a closer look at the cap. Again, it has the pre-cut lace, that 3D cap design, the drawstring in the back, and you guys can see just how this unit sits on my head. I don't have to cut out the ear area, y'all. It is just a ready to wear unit, and I am loving the additional drawstring on the back. It makes everything feel extremely secure and comfortable. But this is how the unit looks on me. You guys can see that HD lace, that pre-plucked hairline, and again that 3-dimensional cap design, so you don't have to glue this unit down. It fits really well, but my lace is a teeny tiny bit too light for me, as most of them are, so I'm just going to take my lace tinted spray and just apply a little bit along that lace, and you guys can see how it blends in perfectly. So because I've already prepped my wig, I don't have to do any additional styling, but what I am going to do is kind of like flatten the top of the unit and mold it around my head. So I took my 𝐿 wax stick and applied a bit of it on the top of my head, and now I'm just taking my hot comb just to lay it. I'm also going to clean up that parting space with my concealer, and I do have a little bit of a cast to the hair from the product that I applied, so I'm just going to scrunch that away and just do some fluffing just to make the hair look a bit longer and voluminous. So even though that hairline looks very good, I am still going to apply just a little bit of baby hair. I don't want anything too drastic. I want it to look very natural. So you can see I'm just taking a couple of strands and doing a bit of a swoop just to give me a little more contouring and depth around my forehead area. And this unit does have that 9 by 6 inches of parting space. Now y'all, look at these curls. You can't tell me that these curls aren't super natural. Now the length of my unit is 20 inches, and because of the fact that the curls are defined, it does fall into my collarbone area. Now again, this unit is their 3-dimensional S cap, so it's going to give you that comfort design, and the density of this unit is 180%, so it's very full and natural looking. But anyways y'all, I am absolutely loving this unit. I mean, look at the texture. Look at the natural layers that this unit has. Look how natural the density is. And I didn't even have to use any adhesives, glues, got-to-be, gels, any of that nature. And I'm still able to style this hair and do a really quick updo, and the unit is not slipping off. So definitely get your hands on their new 3-dimensional S cap so you guys can see it does sit very close to your forehead, and it also has that drawstring, so this unit isn't going anywhere. But anyways, again, this unit comes from WowAfrican.com. Check down below in the description area where everything's going to be linked. Let me know what you think of this unit, and I'll catch you later. Bye guys.